Let's make a lemon ginger wheatgrass juice for smooth glowing skin. For this recipe, I am using the Kuvings AUTO10 Plus juicer. I love the fact that I can use this juicer without the hopper extension for more quick and easy recipes like this one. Into the juicer, I'm adding 5 lemons, 2 inches of fresh ginger, and a few handfuls of wheatgrass. It is important to load your ingredients below the max line to ensure that the juicer has enough room to work its magic. For this recipe, I leave the lemon peels intact to add to the nutritional value of this juice. The peels of lemon are loaded with fiber, vitamins, and powerful antioxidants that are not meant to be thrown away. I only recommend using organic when doing so and washing thoroughly before use. Ginger root and wheatgrass are also nutrient-dense powerhouses, which make them great for this recipe. Loaded with nutrients like vitamin C, iron, magnesium, and chlorophyll, which are all essential for supporting the skin and hair's natural glow. I also love a good juicer that leaves the pulp bone dry. It sort of gives you that peace of mind that your juicer is doing its job and extracting the most nutrients that it possibly can. This recipe is perfect for first thing in the morning. So